Hi, everyone. I wanted to reach out to you today as we are just a few short weeks away from PSSA testing. So, over the past few months, we've been meeting as administrators with someone from Study Island, and her name is Patty Lee. And Patty has shown us some different reports that we can run within Study Island, and all of you have access to these reports. But I thought it would be beneficial to show you one that will help you with test prep moving forward. So we're going to go in here to the class summary report in Study Island. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to select students in grade 5. The program we're going to do is 5th grade standards mastery, and then we're going to do math. And I'm choosing math here because on the screen here I have the math breakdown of the PSSA. So when I hit view report, it gives me all of the standards that are covered in 5th grade math and a breakdown that breaks them down further into further standards. But what I want to do up here is click on suggested topics. And when I click on suggested topics, Study Island will look at topics that need improvement, a high priority where kids haven't met the standard yet. And it'll rank them. Then there are medium priority where some of the standards have been met, and topics where standards have been met, and topics where standards have been exceeded. So let me show you now how to use this data to further reinforce instruction, maybe do some small group work with students, assign topics within Study Island. So on this right-hand side of my screen, I've got the breakdown of the PSSA assessment. So in this case, I've got the 5th grade information pulled up. And as you can see, this is the number of points list for each set of questions. And as you can see, the reporting category that it has the most available points on the PSSA is A through F or A through T. And so when I scroll back up here to this document, A through F is numbers and operations and fractions. A through T is number and operations in base 10. So now I can use this information to say, okay, I know that if I want to boost my scores just by a few points, this is the area that I'm going to be able to do it in because it has the most questions asked on that test. So then I can come over here and look specifically at areas within those reporting categories, and I can assign tasks within Study Island. So the thing to remember is if these standards have been exceeded for most of our students, it doesn't make sense to spend as much time on these areas as it does to focus on some of these other high priority areas where the majority of our grade level is not meeting or exceeding these standards. So hopefully that will give you some foundation and a guide. And to move forward, please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you want to sit down and look at this information a little bit more closely.